This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill.
It doesn't mean I have to do it. I don't believe I should have to make the choice to put this in my body to continue to do a job that I've been doing successfully for 14 years.
Asking us to do things that could be contrary to our own health and could be detrimental to our health for the sake of making other people feel comfortable, I don't believe is right.
I survived it actually getting the virus. It makes no sense to me to go and get a shot for something that I've already survived.
Jennifer, Kara, Sarah, and Kathy have all chosen not to get vaccinated and are all losing their jobs at Houston Methodist. They're concerned the vaccine didn't go through extensive clinical trials before being given to the public.
If I were to take this vaccine, then therefore I am a part of a clinical trial that I do not want to be a part of.
But there were trials. This is not the trial, as you just said. There were trials.
I don't trust the safety of this. I do not believe that it has been tested adequately by any means.
None of them agree with the guidance from all major health authorities in the U.S. that the vaccines are effective and safe.
Every public health organization, the CDC, the FDA, say that it is safe and effective. You don't believe those organizations? No, I don't. I do not believe them at all.
What's your name? My name is Dr. Alfred. Thank you, Doctor. What's yours? My name is Rashad. Did you say Rashad? Yes, that's what I said.
Moxie is a teammate. She's here to actually relieve some of the pressure of task and hunt and gather that we all have to do all day that takes our time away from the patient.
Diligent Robotics of Austin designed Moxie to perform routine tasks in a clinical setting.
We really need to understand the workflows of these units. We need to understand, well, what do nurses do? How do they do it? And how do we think about Moxie fitting into those workflows?
Her little voice, when she passes you and says hello, and her eyes, she does seem to have a personality. We don't think of her as a thing. It's Moxie.
During a month-long pilot, Moxie stocked patient rooms, removed dirty
But the robots can do so much more. For example, taking tests, including blood tests. Logic, a startup, is bringing to the market a device designed to make blood collection safer and more efficient. The technology uses infrared and ultrasound images to identify veins. Then, a robot-controlled needle is inserted into the target vein. But the most important roles of machines in medicine to the future must still be diagnosis and treatment of patients. Artificial intelligence systems for diagnosing and currently only takes 10 seconds to find the right medication. In the U.S., automated drug dispensing systems are produced by Swisslog, for example. The robot can pack each pill into separate bags and then bundles them according to the prescription. The processing speed is currently 1,000 doses per hour, and in doing so, the system automatically tracks its inventory and automatically can generate daily medication orders. Now let's talk about lab robots. The usefulness of a lab robot and potential were truly appreciated.
This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill.